Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to install the driver's side A-pillar grab handle on our 5th gen Toyota 4Runner. So come on, let's begin.
Sa Forge Garage, pinabago ang gabi.
Alright, so again, this is the driver's side grab handle. As we all know, with the 5th gen 4Runner, they didn't come with a driver's side grab handle like the passenger side. So I know there's a company out there that's been selling this grab handle for a while or for a long time, but I decided not to uh, pick that one up. But doing some research, basically, it is safe to add one because the one overseas, like the Land Cruiser Prado, the LC 200, and other Toyota overseas, they have the grab handle on that one, and they have side curtain airbag also, and they're fine. So with this one, this is a new brand. It's from Amazon. So if you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description below. They actually tested this with the Tacoma. They deploy the side curtain airbag, and it did not affect the deployment, or it did not detach from being installed. So let's open this up. Basically, this is the box. It's from BGUCAR. So again, it's from Amazon. So let's open it up and see. So from the box here, it is protected. So it's bubble wrap. So we got the main panel there. We got the actual grab handle. We got the tools and some gloves. So let me show you the quality, or let's check the quality of this one, how it looks like and how it feels. So this one, it's pretty solid. It's heavy. It's nice. Okay. Let's check the actual panel in here. Okay. So it looks nice. The plastic is also nice. We're going to compare this to the factory one, the texture and the color, how they compare to each other. So yeah, so far it feels quality. All right, you even got some part number in here or something like that. Has some gloves in here. We got the covers for the grab handle itself. So these are actually nicely made. Okay. Kind of worried that they'll look junky. Yeah, so this one comes with the wrench and the hardware that we need to use. So it has extruded U nut in here, and then we have the bolts. And this is like an extension nut. But yeah, so we have everything that we need to install this. They even include a plastic pry tool, and of course the instructions on how to install this. So with this one, I highly suggest, before removing this panel, is to disconnect your battery on the car, just to make sure that you don't accidentally deploy your airbag. Okay, just in case that you accidentally hit something in there that caused the airbag to deploy, you don't want that. So yeah, so just a precaution, do it at your own risk, and be careful if you're gonna do this. Remove or disconnect your battery. All right, just to be safe. All right, so let me remove the factory one, and we'll compare the finish and the quality of this one to the factory panel. All right, right back. All right, so we're going to remove our factory cover in here and make sure that you disconnect your battery. Okay, just to make sure, and be sure that this airbag in here won't accidentally deploy. So yeah, so as you see here, I'm not that tall. I tend to grab on my steering wheel when I'm going inside of the vehicle. So yeah, so I think it's a good idea to install the grab handle now on the A pillar. So for this one, to remove the panel in here, is we're going to remove this logo in here. Just need to pry it, and that will give us access to the 10 millimeter bolt in there. If you want to use the included wrench, you can use that. If you want to use your own, you can. Just avoid hitting your windshield when working on this one. So yeah, so let's just remove this, and I might have some cables that's gonna go down later because my camera, reverse or rear camera, dash cam is in here. So just remove that. Just save this just in case that you wanna reverse it, or yeah, revert back to your factory one. You have the original screws. So I think that's it. We just need to pull it, I think. So this is not necessary. I'm gonna remove the water stripping in here just to have better view of this. So there you go. It's just clipped in there. Yeah, so easy as that, as you saw. I just pulled it out, and we have access to the main thing here. So I'm just checking where the thing needs to be put on. Yep, so I think we can work on that. Yeah, so let's compare this, at least the color, to the new one from BGUCAR. All right, be right back. All right, so these are the panels side by side. So you can see here, there's really no difference in the color. So it just depends how the light hits it. Yeah, so again, they're very similar in color. So I think there won't be an issue in here with matching it on the other side. But yeah, so quality wise with the texture, this one has a little uh, rubbery feel on it. That's what I can feel here. Compared to this one, it's more plasticky on this one. Compared to this one, has some grip on it. This one is kind of smooth when I touch it. This one, there's a little grip on it. So yeah, but anyways, it feels solid still. So yeah, so there you go. Here in the back, difference of course will be this one. This will just plug in into the A pillar itself. Now we have to put the U shape, the extruded U shape, slide in whatever bolt. Yeah, so let's do that and we'll proceed from there. All right. All right, so now we need to insert the U-shaped nut, and we're going to insert it here. Make sure the extruded part is gonna be inside. All right, so we're able to insert it there, and now we need to keep holding it, and then we're going to put on the extension nut in here. Okay, if you want to use the wrench to tighten this, it'll be good just to keep it in place. All right, so now it's secure. So I just want to tighten it more. There you go. All right, one more. There you go. So it's basically an extension. So for this one, we're gonna be using the smaller screw in the bottom and the longer screw on the top. So now it is time to install the panel back. So just slide it in. So make sure it is tucked in properly. And yeah, so I can view the nut in there. Now let's try to install the top one. So yeah, so it's gonna be like this. Here you go. Again, very easy mod on this one. And now we have a grab handle on our driver's side. Like it. Yeah, so again, very easy install. Just be careful on your windshield. Don't whack it with the wrench. That will be a very expensive grab handle. All right. So again, just do the same thing on the bottom. Okay, so then just tighten everything up and should be good from there. So yeah, so we're good. So it feels sturdy though, so I can say that. So that's nice. All right, so next, just pop in the covers. So one in the bottom and one on the top. There you go. It looks good. Yeah, like it. So now I have a grab handle in here that can help me to go into the vehicle and possibly help me when trying to go down. Yeah, so this is nice and sturdy. Yep. So I'll put the link in the description below if you want to purchase this. Again, this is from BGUCAR. It's very inexpensive. Yeah. So again, if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.